I turn pages all the time. Don't like where I'm at. 34 was bad, so I just turned 35. Yeah, I'm a keeper. I keep digging down for the deep. Like the records I'm playing, they might keep you waiting, but you know I'm gonna play them for keeps. And if the house just keeps on winning.
Sitting on the end of his bed, Saturday morning. Ever since school's let out, life's been kinda boring. So I poke my head in the doorway, say what you feel like doing. And he thinks for a moment, his eyes light up, and he says, take me fishing to that place we only know. Take me fishing, I'll put my shoes on and we can go.
She's sitting on the steps of her front porch. It's Saturday morning, talking on the phone to her friends has gotten kind of boring. So I sit down beside her and say, what you feel like doing? Yeah, she thinks for a moment, her eyes light up, and she says, take me fishing to that place we only know. Take me fishing, I put my shoes on and we can go. There's 1,000 reasons we never get away. Can't think of a better